Hey Aquanuts, this is how to adjust the chlorine output of your salt cell using a Pentair EasyTouch panel. You are going to hit the menu button, probably going to hit it twice till the lights come on. Then you're going to scroll down using the down arrow till you get to Settings. Hit the select button or the right arrow. Scroll down to IntelliChlor, hit the select button, and that will bring you into this menu where you can hit the select button again, and one more time it will bring you to pool mode. You can go up or down to your desired chlorine output level. Once you have found that level, hit select one time. Then you're going to hit the menu button to back out of that. And you are done. You have programmed the chlorine output of your salt cell using a Pentair EasyTouch panel. If this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe and like the channel. We are coming out with more of these how-tos shortly. Thanks for watching.